Under the hood, it's pure craftsmanship. Vintage air chrome pulley system, Be Cool aluminum radiator with dual electric fans, and a dual 2.5-inch Flowmaster exhaust that gives it that deep, throaty growl. Every hose, every fitting, every fastener, spotless and intentional. Fuel delivery is handled by a Holley in-tank system, and comfort comes courtesy of full vintage air climate control. So whether you're running through traffic or cruising on the open highway, this car stays cool and composed. This isn't just a rebuild, it's a rebirth of an American icon, built to be driven, shown, and celebrated. Thanks for riding along. More cool content only on Muscars with Eric.